Making money online has become one of the most popular methods of earning a living. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, or you're searching for a full-time job, there are countless ways you can earn money from home. In this video, we'll discuss some of the top tips and tricks for making money online. Firstly, one of the easiest ways to make money online is through freelance work. There are numerous platforms available where you can offer your services to clients around the world. These include writing, graphic design, web development, and social media management, to name a few. Another popular option is to start your own blog or website. With the right niche, you can attract a large audience and monetize your site through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. You can also create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software. One of the most profitable methods of making money online is through e-commerce. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify, you can start your own online store and sell physical products to customers worldwide. Dropshipping is also another option where you can sell products without holding any inventory. Finally, you can also make money online through YouTube and other social media platforms. With millions of viewers, YouTube creators can monetize their content through ads and sponsorships. Additionally, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch provide creators with the opportunity to earn money through brand partnerships and other forms of sponsorship. In conclusion, making money online is not only possible but also accessible for anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Whether you choose to freelance, start your own website, sell products, or create content, there are endless opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on making money online.